Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on React.js and Python, Flask, FastAPI and microservices. As we have gone through plenty of videos on Python, such as web development using Python long back ago, then Python with machine learning many times, then Python with microservices using FastAPI, then Python with Flask, then and many more. We have seen some informative videos on Flask, such as Flask connection with React.js using Flask connection with React.js using MySQL. Then we have seen Flask with React to display records in MySQL. Then insert and display operation, latest video. We have also seen FastAPI connection to React.js. Today video is really creative and interesting. Today we are going to see FastAPI displaying records in MySQL using React.js. So first of all, we will go through the MySQL database. Here two records are there, name BlackBerry, description pant, arrow pant. Now we will go through here. We are connecting to React URL, importing required libraries. This is MySQL connection string, method read items. Now we will go through React part. Here we are fetching the backend part, items, because here it is items, table name and ID, name and ID, name and ID, name and description in the sense. Item name and description. Fine. Now I will execute the program. First backend part. Yes. Now yes, I successfully done with MySQL data display using FastAPI using React.js. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, it is informative. You can do many good projects using FastAPI and MySQL or MongoDB, which database you prefer. Since Python is booming in the market, this project will be useful. I will be back with more and more creative videos on FastAPI with React.js, Flask with React.js, and if possible PHP with React.js and many more. Everything with React.js. So for latest update about web development, machine learning and Python and Node.js, React.js, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.